All right, I'm going to show you how to put on what I call industrial filtered ear molds, and you may have a lanyard on these. These I typically order in acrylic material, so it's a hard plastic. They're just really sturdy and might not have as much wear and tear on them if you're in an industrial type setting versus a silicone. So this is the left one. Usually there is an indicator on it. There's a little blue L there. It's kind of hard to see. And then there would be a red R on your right one. And then it's also going to have a little removal string on it, or it may have a removal string to help you get it out. So what I would do is I like to flip it upside down first, put the canal into my ear first, rotate, so I use my index finger and my thumb to rotate the ear mold toward the back of my ear. And then this top part you'll have to get behind the flap and under the ridge. So sometimes you can do that with one hand once you get really proficient at it. Sometimes you have to use your other hand, pull the ear up and back, and pop it under this ridge here, and then also behind the flap to get that top part into what we call the helix is up here. So that's what it'll look like when it's in all the way. And then to remove it, you can either use the little removal string, and that's another point is if it's not quite oriented properly in your ear, the removal string, which should be about here, might be somewhere else. So to check that you've got it in properly, just feel for that little removal string. So you can use the removal string to pull it out, or you can wedge your index finger behind the top of it or behind the back of it, pop this top part out, and then rotate forward. With this one, since the material is acrylic, it's not flexible, so it might be easier to use the removal string to pull it out.